Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to make a simple watch list. So, open up your platform in Thinkorswim, and over here to your left will be where your watch list should be at. Now, you may have some already open. They may be default, so what I'm going to do is you'll come up here. If you already have some of these boxes open, you'll click there, then you'll come down to create watch list. So then you'll name your watch list. So I will name it demo watch list. And now I'm going to add symbols. So with this being a customized watch list, I can add, basically whatever I want to it. So we'll just add a few symbols. Do Facebook, Nike, let's see what else, PBR, and we'll do Telsa. So that's how you add symbols in. Now, if you want to move some of these symbols up or down, you'll highlight whichever symbol, just click up or down. If you want to add more symbols to this, just add more. And if you want to delete, highlight it and remove. Come over here, click save, and now you have your watch list right there. If you don't have any watch lists up over here, come down here, click this plus sign, click watch list, and you'll have a default watch list come up already. This one right here came up with indexes. So I'll click on that, and it's the same thing. Come down here to create watch list, and what I just showed you, that's what you need to do for that part. If you already have one created, you'll click right there, and you'll come here to where you have your options for personal. You may have one, you may have a couple. So for whatever you named your watch list or whatever watch list you're looking for, you'll highlight that section and you'll come over here and you'll click on that, and it will automatically load up that watch list for you. So in the next video, what I'm going to show you is how to turn your scanner into a watch list and have it over here to where it will update throughout the day as you are trading, and then how to connect that watch list to your charts. So I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.